garlic harvest time. Seems like most of the garlic are going to be beautiful. My brother and his wife was coming by, and I wanted to show them the garlic still in the bed. So these have gone really too far. They should have been harvested almost a week ago. Here's the condition you get when you leave them too far. See, they're splitting. That's okay for me because I find that I normally just use garlic powder. So I'm going to take them and dry them and powder them right away. But if you want to store them, let's see. That one might be good. So I have 1, 2, the other third leaf you can't see, but there are 3 dry leaves and the top is still almost all green. So then there's no splitting on your clothes and they're covered in this nice dry papery material. Somewhere in the 40s, I can't remember, like 43rd, well, above 42, 43 latitude, I think it is. You're better off growing long day onions and hardneck garlic. Below, somewhere in the I-30s latitude, you're better off growing soft neck garlic and short day onion. In between that, there's a day neutral onions. I am thinking about giving one try to the soft neck garlic just to see what they grow like, and elephant garlic. Hardneck garlic you need to plant late fall. I usually plant mine after we've had a couple of frost. Soft neck, my understanding is it's better to plant them in late fall, but you can technically plant them as soon as the ground can be worked in spring. Elephant garlic is a fall planted garlic as well. Out of 120 heads, I just had that one head split. And where is that one? That one right there. Just that one. So I can bring all these into the sunroom now and let them cure. Brush the dirt off them then and cut the tops, and then I can weigh them. I can't weigh them here today. Beautiful garlic harvest. Some of them were small, but most of them were a nice size. I didn't think about the succession sowing for a fall cropping time. One of the crops that we might have time to get a actual harvest from is the vegetable marrow. Like I said, I didn't think about it in time, but I put them some seeds in one of these germination things I make, and I have just the one that has germinated, and I'm going to plant that here now, just like that, and it should continue to grow. I have 4 more seeds here I'm going to put back. If they germinate, I'm going to put them down there and see what I get. Next year now I'll be more on the ball with this, and we'll do a better planting for fall experiment. I took off all the plants that I didn't want growing there and smoothed the bed out. I thought about planting carrots there, but then I thought carrots takes a long time to germinate. It's not the growing time, it's the germination time is the issue. So I have to think it over and see what I can plant there. I'm going to stop by the nursery tomorrow, so who knows, they might have something they can sell me that I can plant in there. No doubt you've seen pictures of garlic braided, and you have this long string of garlic hanging up and they just take the garlic whenever they want it. Well, That's the soft neck garlic. Can't really braid hard neck garlic like that. So the pictures I've seen of people curing their hard neck garlic, they just lay them out on the floor and leave them there for a couple of weeks, and then they'll cut them and put them in a fabric bag or something. But there is a way to hang them up, which is what I'm doing here. Kind of need a pair of safety glasses. You could get some dirt falling into your eyes. Hopefully I can show you here. So this is just your jute twine or salsa twine. You make just a little small loop. You take the rope and twist it around itself, not big enough for your finger to go through. Then you poke the other part of the rope through, string, and then you pull that through far enough so that you can put the garlic head through and then just pull it tight. And you leave somewhat of a string and cut that off. I have 2 strings here with 30 garlic on a string. When they cure, I might see if I can cut them off and still have them hung up, just because I want to weigh the garlic. But if you're not going to weigh it, you can just leave them like this and take them whenever. They'll be very easy to take off because they're not truly tied on. So those loops, you'll be able to slip them back very easy and take your garlic whenever you want. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button and come back for the next one. See you then.